Hi there! Welcome to Rheidon community. Today we are going to walk you through everything you need to know about our PC100 portable EV charger. Whether you're going to use it at home or on the go, we're here to help you to get the most out of it. PC100 has 3 power capacity, including 3.6 kW, 7.2 kW, and 11 kW, designed to meet different needs. Despite the differences in power capacity, each charger comes with a travel carrier, a sturdy bracket for wall mounting, a padlock for added security, and a menu. One of its biggest advantages is its plug-and-play functionality. No installation costs required. You can use it flexibly anywhere, take it on a road trip, or charge on the go. For home charging, we've included a bracket so you can easily mount it on the wall. Next, put the PC100 into a compatible power outlet. Plugs of the Rheidon's chargers are all equipped with a built-in NTC thermistor. The built-in NTC thermistor cuts off the power if the heat builds up and resumes once it cools down, well before reaching a dangerous level. Once plugged in, the charger will perform a quick self-test, and when you see the screen, it's ready to go. Using this 11 kW, once as an example, you can set the currents between 6A and 16A. If you hope to schedule your charging to optimize nighttime charging during the off-peak hours, just press the clock button and adjust the late time using the up and down buttons. Now, you're fully set up to charge. Take the other end of the charging cable and plug it into the charging port on your EV. Once connected, the charging process will start right away. To stop the charging process, simply end it from your EV. This will safely release the cable. You are now charging like an expert, so here are some tips for you to get the most out of your PC100. With the largest screen on the market, the PC100 allows you to monitor all the important parameters right on the display. This includes accumulated charging kilowatt hours, how long it has been charging, the charging current, voltage, and the current charging power. The bracket also has an anti-theft feature, as the cable fits tightly into the bracket, making it difficult to pull out. The PC100 is designed to be durable, so whether you've mounted indoors or outdoors, its functionality remains unaffected under most environmental conditions. Also, do not forget to take advantage of the stylish travel carrier for easy portability. You can refer to the back of the charger or the menu to check solutions for each era. If the issues persist, do not hesitate to contact us for further assistance. We are always here to help you out. That's it. Now you're all set to use your PC100 EV charger. Easy, right? If you have any questions or need further support, just drop a comment below or check out the links in the description box. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and we hope you enjoy a better EV charging experience with our products.